Tired of unwanted calls interrupting your day? I'm going to show you several quick and easy ways to decline calls on your iPhone, putting you back in control. Okay, first, let's look at the basics. When a call comes in, you'll see the incoming call screen. The simplest way to decline is to press the side button. That's the power button on the right side of your iPhone. Twice quickly, this will send the caller straight to voicemail. But what if you want a bit more finesse? Notice the options at the bottom of the screen: Remind Me and Message. Tap Remind Me, and you can choose to be reminded about the call in 1 hour, or when you leave your current location. This is perfect if you're busy but don't want to forget to call them back. Tapping Message brings up a list of pre-written text replies, like "I'm in a meeting," or "I'll call you later." Select one, and it'll instantly send that text to the caller and decline the call. For a more proactive approach, you can silence unknown callers entirely. Open your Settings app, scroll down and tap Phone. Then, scroll down again and tap Silence Unknown Callers. When enabled, calls from numbers not in your contacts, or that you haven't recently called, will be silenced and sent to voicemail. And that's it. With these simple tips, you can master call management on your iPhone and reclaim your peace of mind. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.